Hello everybody, I love you so much. My name is Charon Tap Star. And I'm going to give you an absolute beginner tap tutorial, okay? So I'm going to teach you a couple of the basic steps, or parts of the foot that we use, I should say. And I'm going to do maybe a 6-part series so you guys can get an introduction to tap dance, and then you can move on and do the beginner level trainings, okay? All right, so first of all, this is a tap shoe. Hi. You don't need tap shoes to get started. You can wear sneakers as long as they can slide against the ground. You can wear hard-soled shoes. Don't wear any stilettos. Wear flat shoes, okay? Do not wear open-toed shoes because you might hurt yourself when you do a step such as this, okay? Closed-soled shoes. Doesn't matter what kind, but just as long as you can slide your foot, you know, it doesn't get stuck, you're good. Okay, but these, however, are tap shoes. Aren't they cute with the heart? So Danca. All right, you guys. So what we do is we use these 2 metal plates on the bottom of our foot to make a whole bunch of beautiful rhythms and tap dance. When I'm talking to you, we are going to learn about the heel tap. When I say heel tap, I'm talking about that. And when I say toe tap, I'm talking about this one right here, okay? So we're going to just learn those parts. We're going to get a feel of those parts of the foot right now. Toe tap, heel tap, okay? All right, come on, let's go. So what I want you to do is the toe tap part. I want you to just get used to it. Put that on the ground and just move it around like you're trying to get gum off your shoe or something, okay? Get a feel of it. That's your toe tap. Now let's tap that on the ground. You ready? That part only. Do not let your heel hit. No, the heel does not touch the ground, okay? Tap, 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 tap. Good job. You don't have to turn your foot to the side. I'm just trying to emphasize, don't let that heel touch, okay? Keep going. I'm going to face the back. You face me, though. Keep going. Excellent. Okay, keep that in there. Keep it right there. Act like you're getting gum off of your shoe again. Okay, now I'm going to show you heel. So, heel taps. You keep the ball of your foot on the ground, right? And you just press your heel into the ground like this. Heel. Lift it up. Heel. Lift it up. Heel. Lift it up. Heel. Lift it up. Do this with me if you aren't. Okay? And heel. I'm going to be quiet. Couple more times. Excellent. Okay, so we have our toe tap, tap me. Good. Excellent. And we have our heel tap. All right, let's leave that alone, you guys. Okay, let's come to this side and let's wake this side up. So now we're getting the gum off of the other side. For me, it's my left. If you're done a different foot, it doesn't matter as long as you do the other foot, okay? All right, we know what part of the foot we're using, our toe tap. Now let's go ahead and do our taps on the ground. When you're making your sounds with your taps, everything is an intention. You aren't just, no, you're intentionally trying to get that sound. Don't be like that and try to break your knee off, but you're intentionally making a sound, okay? Good. Excellent, you guys. All right, now we're going to get that heel in action. So remember, the ball of your foot is on the ground, the heel is up, and we press the heel into the ground. Ready? And heel, 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 heel. Keep going. I'll give you tap tips while we're doing this. Good. I decided to be nice and wait. Okay, you guys. So, in tap dance, we use different parts of our foot to make all these different sounds, okay? So you just learned to tap and heel, okay? All right, we're going on to actual tap dancing now. So you're going to give me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Me, you. 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 Good. Heel. You. 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 I can't snap. You. Other side. Me. You. Me. You. Me. You. I shouldn't snap. I have no time to snapping. You. Let's do the heels. Me. You. Oh, I can clap better. Okay. You. Excellent, darlings. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you something else, and it is what I call the other tap, okay? So other tap, you're still using this part of the foot only. That's the only thing that's touching the ground, okay? But instead of stepping down onto it, you're going to have your foot flat on the ground. It's flat on the ground, see that? And I lift it up, and you probably done this at a music concert. When you was a kid, you started like, yeah, yeah, I'm so cool. I don't have to go to school. You know, whatever it was. It snowed. I don't have to go to work. No, I'm just playing. All right. So the other tap. All right, let's do that. Just give me 8, okay? Ready? We'll go a little slower. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so proud of you. Give it to me one more time. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's do the other side. Go ahead and get used to it first. Just play around for a second. A little more. Get used to it. Where does your body have to be to make it work? Okay, that's it. That's all you get. Let's take it up to tempo. So we're going to go here, okay? 1, 2, give me 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. One more time. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, excellent, you guys. All right, let me tell you this. The beginning, when you first start tap dancing, it could be considered boring, you know, like Karate Kid, wax on, wax off. Oh my God, this is so boring. But you have to do this part so that you can be a super precise, clear pro when we get to the juicy stuff, okay? You have to go through this to get to the juicy stuff. So put the work in, focus, and do the best single taps you can do. Do the best heels you can do, okay? All right, here we go. So you guys, we're going to dance you up. Just give me one thing and then I'm going to give you a full little warm-up step, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to do a tap and then I want you to do a heel, okay? Ready, and tap, heel. Ready, and other tap, heel. Ready, and other tap, heel. Good. Ready, and other tap, heel. Proud of you. Let's do this leg. Ready, and other tap, heel. Ready, and other tap, heel. Ready, and other tap, heel. Proud of you. Other tap, heel. All right, you guys. Okay, so we're going to do this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Other tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then heel again. Okay? Okay? That's all I want. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. I'm so proud of you. Okay, you guys, let's do the other leg, okay? Ready, and tap, 2, 3, of you. Give it to me one more time. 1, 2, this foot. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, darlings. Excellent. Okay, good. Now we're going to speed that up, okay? Let's go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join in. Other leg. Excellent. Stop right here. Now you see how my weight is positioned here? Tap dance is also all about having control of your weight, balance, and weight changes, okay? Shifting your weight in the appropriate way. So here, when we were doing our heels here, the 4 in a row, I'm centered. I'm right here, right? But when I want to switch so that I can do this tap with this foot, let me go here. You see I'm doing my heels, right? I have to literally shift my weight so I can lift this foot up and start to tap, okay? So when you get to your 4th heel, 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 you're shifting so you can start there. All right, you guys? Let's try with this one. Ready? Heel, 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 heel. Shift your weight so you can do this. Okay, one more time. Ready? And heel, 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 heel. Shift your weight so you can. Okay, good. Now that's going to be faster, of course, that transition. So let's go ahead and get it because this is something that you can do, whether you believe it or not. Let's just take it, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 2, 3, 4. Period. Okay, now this leg. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 2, 3, 4. Love you. Let's do it again. This heel. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift. Good. Okay. Last time. This heel. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent, you guys. Number 1, Hoopers. Okay. The best didn't start at the best. They started with the basics. I started with these basics. Okay. All right. Here we go. So we are going to do 4 still. And we're going to go back and forth on both sides doing the whole thing. So let's start from the top, okay? I'm going to face the back. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Heel, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Heel, 2. Give me 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, switch, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2. Yeah. All right, you guys, you know what, I would do more, but that is enough for now. That was a lot because you're just getting a little juicy, little 10-minute drill. It's supposed to be, who knows how long it's been. But anyway, you guys, great job. You learned tap, heel, other tap, heel, and you learned some weight shifts already on both sides, okay? So practice that all week. Do this video 5 times a week, and then you'll be here soon. We're going this pace next time. So make sure you practice so it's comfortable, okay? This is your goal. You might be there already. Some people are natural tap dancers. All right, you guys, take it back and practice whatever you want. Come back and practice this 5 times this week. I love you so much. Next time we'll get into, and maybe broke it down current rows. Why not? All right, I love you guys. Love yourself. Love everyone. Charon Tap Star out. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.